So in this video I'm going to show you how you can deploy a PWA, deploy a project as a PWA, and this will be using as it has no framework. Using this method there will be no framework present. You can install deploy other apps as PWA like Next.js app or a Astro app or React app as a PWA, but I will not be using any of that. I'm just using an index HTML file, CSS file, and a JavaScript file. So these are the main three files only the project contains, and it is a very simple project where it just converts markdown into different formats. So these are the three main scripts. For that, what I need to do deploy as PWA, what I need is a manifest.json file. Now the manifest.json file contains the basic information of an app, like name of the app, which is the name markdown converter, short name. If the screen is small, you need to display short name, that's what. And the start URL is that which page should be, which file is the starting of the file. In here, index file is the starting of the file, because in the index.html file we are linking the style sheet CSS file and also the script file. So index file is the main file which we need, so that's the start URL index file. And these are some basic things. Display standalone background color. What does the background color mean? Like if the app takes some time to load, it will show the background color as this one and the logo in the middle. So that's what the theme color. You can and orientation is portrait primary. Like if you are creating for mobile phones, then the orientation would be portrait mode, but if you are creating mainly for iPads or tablets, then it would be landscape mode. So just keep in mind what you need. So these are the icons. So icons should be given in multiple sizes, but I have only given one because my app only needs one. That's why I just given one icons, but you can actually create new arrays with the same data, and you can change the icon size over here, and so that all the screens can support this icon. So you need to add multiple like this one. Oh, forgot a comma over here. So that's it. And from that you need to create service worker. What it means is it will take this data and store it locally. For that we need the service worker. So static markdown, this is version 1. What are the assets? Index file, style CSS file, and the JavaScript file, and this is the assets which is required. Now self add install even wait. So what this code does is that when it loads, it install all the assets locally in the local storage. That's the service worker's job. That does what service worker does. So all you need to do is create this file, which is a service worker file, and also a script file, the manifest.json file for storing, which for implementing which all data are the important ones. And after that, what you can do is something which is just go to just go to I was like, after that what you need to do is go to Vercel. So all the things we need are done. What we need is a manifest.json file and a service worker file. So these are the two files which you need to make it as a PWA. So that's it. And if you go to Vercel, now Vercel taking time to load. I don't know why Vercel is taking time to load. So Vercel.dashboard. Vercel is actually open. Yeah, so let's open Vercel in our browser and let's see how can we deploy it. So Vercel is loading. Why it is loading, taking so much time? I have no idea. I do have an connection right now. Okay, so that's it. Okay, why it is okay? Yeah, finally Vercel is finished and opening, and now we see this is the project which I deployed 17 hours ago or something. So if you go over there, go to the markdown file. Why does it take so much time? I have no idea. Okay, so this is the file markdown converter which I made, and if you see, go to the settings of the file. Oh, client side error. Okay, fine. If you go to the settings of the project markdown converter, and you can see that, so markdown converter pair, and you will select the development settings. The build framework present is called other if you want to deploy something like without any framework, or you can click Astro, React on Nest.js, whatever you want. So that's the only thing you need to change, and then deploy it. That's it, and if you can, access it in the URL. So that's it for this video. Hope you find it useful, and yeah, have a nice day. Bye. So one thing which I forgot to mention is that the Free Code Camp has a very nice tutorial on how to build PWA from scratch with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So you can all find all the service worker code and more explanation over here. See, you can see the manifest.json file over here with all the icon images, that's 72 pixels, 92 pixels, 120 pixels. So I will be linking this article in the description, so if you want, you can check that one also. So yeah, that's it. Bye.